They smelled like old cereal.
He brought us limited edition Fudge Stripes from Keebler, the elves.
Yeah, they're berry. What's the actual flavor?
Strongberry.
Oh my God.
Strongberry.
Strong.
They do smell like berries.
They smell like Crunchberry cereal.
I was thinking Frankenberry.
Frankenberry cereal is coming your way.
They smell like cereal bars. Have you ever had those like
Yes.
terrible cereal bars? That's what they taste like.
Terrible cereal bars.
Terribly
already
delicious
established that
cereal
they're
bars.
very
I
different.
love the original versions of these.
I don't.
It's just like the cookie with like chocolate.
I've never loved shortbread chocolate cookies. Like
Ooh.
it's not my jam, but I don't hate on them.
Cold pop.